In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an agent using Microsoft Copilot Studio. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you set up your agent smoothly and effectively. First, we'll need to open Microsoft Copilot Studio, or if you're using a different setup, head over to your AI management portal. This is your centralized hub for all things related to your AI agent creation and management. Once you're there, you'll want to look for an option that says Create New Agent or something similar. This is usually prominently displayed as it's a core feature of the platform. If for some reason you don't spot it right away, try checking under the Projects or Dashboard section because menus can vary slightly depending on the version you're using. Now that we've navigated to creating a new agent, it's time to define our agent's parameters, tasks, and personality. Think of this step as giving your agent its identity and purpose. Start by considering what tasks you want your agent to handle. Is it customer inquiries, data aggregation, or maybe schedule management? Clearly defining this will guide the agent's configuration. Next, consider the personality you want to imbue into your agent. Should it be formal, friendly, humorous, or professional? This aspect is essential as it determines how your agent will interact with users, making it more relatable and effective in its communication. Once you have your parameters and personality in place, it's time to bring those to life by training or configuring the agent. In this phase, you'll need to incorporate data and commands that will shape how your agent performs its tasks. If it's dealing with customer service, provide it with FAQ datasets or response scripts. For scheduling, integrate calendar commands and synchronization capabilities. Training your agent effectively is crucial as it directly influences performance and user satisfaction. Now that everything is set up, the next critical step is to save and deploy your agent so it can start tackling its tasks within your applications. Before you hit save, ensure all configurations are correctly in place with no missing components. Deploying the agent will connect it to the necessary applications, making it ready for real-world use. This can usually be done with a simple click or through a deployment wizard that guides you through connecting your agent to the appropriate systems. And there you have it. Your very own AI agent is now up and running. Remember, an essential aspect of maintaining its performance is periodic reviews and updates. As your needs evolve, so should your agent. Keep these plans ready to enhance its efficiency and effectiveness continually. Thanks for joining, and I hope you found